How to create Amazon account without phone number. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up a web browser and now search for amazon.com. Now over here, tap on your account, then tap on create account. So here you simply have to enter your first name and last name. Now here on mobile number or email, you simply want to enter your email since you do not want to use your mobile number. Now tap here to create a password. After this, tap on verify email. Then you will have to complete this puzzle. Now you want to enter the OTP code that you have received on your email. Simply copy the OTP code. Now paste it here and tap on verify. And now after you have done all of this, your new account will be created. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.